Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to select a main program. And we will see how to select a main program under folder screen. Press Program button. Press Folder soft key. Place the cursor over the program that you want to run. Press OPRT soft key. Press Main Program soft key. Press Program button. Press Check soft key. Now press Cycle Start to run the program. In Method 2 under Program screen, switch to Edit mode. Press Program button. Type the program number that you want to make it as main program. Then press Program Search soft key. Press left arrow soft key. Press Check soft key. Switch to Auto mode. Now press Cycle Start to run the program. In Method 3 under Check screen, under the screen you can directly type the program number. Then press Program Search soft key. Press End soft key. Press left arrow soft key. Now press Cycle Start to run the program. Thank you for watching the video.